Okay guys, so in case you missed it, I recently straightened my hair, but it is getting so stale and it's time for a wash. But before I wash my hair and we go back to my regular curls, I wanted to do some flat iron spiral curls on this old hair. See if we can get it to last at least 1 or 2 more days. So if you're interested in seeing how I curl my hair with my flat iron, then stay tuned. Also, make sure you check me out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Share my videos, like my posts, all of it.
So to start out, I add 0 products to my hair. It's already time for a wash, so if I'm gonna try to get 1 or 2 more days from this hair, then I don't need any extra buildup. No, not even heat protectant, but I typically don't use that anyway. I know, heat protectant this, heat damage that, blah blah blah. I don't care. This process is pretty straightforward. You just part your hair from side to side and curl small sections going away from your face. Now, I don't know if any other right-handed people are like this, but my left arm is almost non-functioning compared to my right. So both sides of my hair never look the same. But it's okay, 'cause it's just hair, darling. So you just keep this process going until you reach the top of your head, but make sure to always curl your hair backwards or away from your face, and also try not to disturb the curl at all once it comes out of the flat iron. If you give your curl time to cool down, it's going to last longer. And that's a great thing since, again, we're not adding any extra products. Oh yeah, speaking of darlings, say hello to our new friend Ty. She's joining the crew of ambassadors whose goal is to push the It's Just Hair Darling movement, and so far she's repping us so well. Hey Ty. So speaking of the It's Just Hair Darling movement, give yourself a pat on the back if your life is not run by hair products or natural hair rules and regulations. Hey, I don't even tie my hair down most nights. So once you reach the top of your head, just rake your hands through the curls and shake them out. We want volume, we want movement, we want cute, effortless curls. And once you're satisfied, you're done. So there you have it. With that being said, I'm out.